Please click subscribe button.
So this time finally we're not in Penang Hill. We start from Bukit Jambul because the Penang Hill is under the maintenance. So this is my place. We're already here. So the advantage here is you come early, you can go to the public toilet, clear everything first, then before you hike in.
Lại bye bye. Bỏ xe lại á. Lấy nào cái bé chào. Starbucks phát công cụ mà điều. Tán nhẹ. Bột cuộn, đi thêm bột cuộn.
This is the station then. Actually, you can go up straight to Bukit Jambul, right?
Directly go to the Bukit Jambul.
Yeah, the shorter route, but we'll go continue to the track 500. We reach this junction, always look for this 335 signage. Okay, then we continue go up. At another side, that one is go downhill. This one is we call station AED. I will show what is AED. So this is very important junction. You can turn left and turn right. You want easy, you go straight up. That one is super easy. You want more challenging, like today we're going this route, then you will see. So I will show what is AED. This is station AED, which is extremely important if anything emergency happen. So just aware here.
Say sao? Yêu chả biscuit.
Con khởi lúc hầu cho con kêu đâu.
Nhớ mày tôi cái gì?
Pokok Besar 2 了这条路。
So suddenly, wow, the world so small, we meet this guy. But most important is, okay, this is what?
Sandal. Đâu đi này.
Bên,这边。
Mà tiếng này bị cho toàn leo đi. Hải châu.
你要一个人还是多多？一个人，谁一个人？
我走，你不走我唔走。
So you see, this one got road one, tali one, meaning you already almost reaching. And there, I reached the Bukit Kukus using the Pokok Besar 2. It's only 700 meters, but very extreme and fun. Here, this is the Bukit Kukus. 4 to 6 meter. And then apparently this one signboard is the new one, Bukit Kukus, 米桶山哦。
很刺激，很累，很累。
頭先剛剛咯。
How about a drink? 加油 Rocky！ 哎，不能随 ice cream 给 ice
這裡
cream。
上去還
他換船了是吧？
我 P，是什么来的？7号。一直用抢妈的，会不会的？哇，真没来呀！
那個是
哇，你咁嘅做？
冇啦，做燒嘅啦。
這個明白應該這樣。古方胡椒鹽。
啊
睇住我。
哇 ，big prawn really nice。
沒有鐵在裡面啊。只有那天來害啊，我。
老虎水，老虎水，老虎水，老虎水，喝了會變老虎。Thank you， thank you。你成嗰個湖日頭冇嚟喎，沒有，因為你在我前面，所以我講了，可能你這耳朵。
So here this is Bukit Paduka 413 meter, so another check-in point. So it's just like this only lah, nothing one lah, just one pokok.
OK， let's go。
大個臉。
有人幫晒。
掉人知咯。
So we reached this Bukit Botak 370 meter. So behind is iconic hill. So here's a whole bunch of our gang. 誒，你行龍計好啦。So I'm bringing them to visit the special toilet from iconic hill. So apparently the decoration is very fantastic. You can see.
可怕了，這樣。不過這個唔是，這是人嘅嘢嘅咧。那個一卡。
這邊嘅哎呀。
Terakhir waktu Graswan, the first and the last one.
Chiến chiến. 2、1、OK。多謝，過自己個，過自己個。
OK， 1、2。
來呀，來準備3、2、1。
If you come to iconic hill and then especially at time 10 something, please bring umbrella or you will run like them because it's extremely hot. It's really hot. If you bring umbrella, also very hot lah.
榴蓮米啦。
誰？你呀？對，因為我爸爸不好啊。
呢是 L 呢，冇 XL 嘅喎，XL 嗬，Big Bull 嚟的，特別隻貴 Big Bull 啊。
謝謝，再給我買了。
沒有差別啊。
好，你還沒玩啊？還沒玩。
買2罐啊。
要不要買一罐吧？这看起来还美美。先来一个纸袋可以装，对哦，葡萄的纸袋可以装。
So put me on a train, I don't care where it's going. Fly me on a plane, maybe down to New Orleans. Help me find a Cadillac, I'm Jack.
把人家拍到
Helicopter, moped, golf cart, minivan, skateboard, cruise ship, submarine, DeLorean. On a horse and a Porsche, on a boat with T-Pain. Swim like a mermaid, maybe all the way to Spain. Listen, Karen, I'll even ride on my rollerblades.
两下。
You dream in battles, word for word, bringing in yours. Is that just me?
Finally.
Can't fight that when you're asleep. You're asleep in beauty, sheltered from another sleepless night. At least I'm right. I'll keep it down.
This flower become chocolate color already, no more white. Masak already. So Sarah and Saja I used the Pokok Besar one up to there just to take flower photo.
'Cause my on fire is a gun for hire.
So after 5 hours plus, so I already end this trip. The overall distance is 14 kilometers. Actually, we just round one round back to the Bukit Jambul. Overall, it's quite fun, especially the beginning, the Pokok Besar do. That one is the most challenging one, just like a little bit 700 meter, but it's very fun. The rest is just very flat road, but the iconic hill there is very, very hot.
Look like
I'm a gun for hire. My tongue's locked, loose, and loaded. Please don't wake up with my break up. 'Cause I'm in my head. It's 3 a.m. and I'm sleeping mad again. Sleeping mad again. I'm sleeping.